Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to sign up for an appointment with the Canvas calendar. So how do you get to Miss Baker's office hours? Well, first of all, from your Canvas page, make sure you're logged into your account and that you can see everything. And then on the left side in this little blue menu, there's going to be a link for a calendar. So if you click calendar, it's going to take you to this big old calendar of all this stuff. You have like the little calendar of what month it is and all of the days. And then under that little calendar on the right, you have this button that says Find Appointments. So if you click Find Appointment, and then you choose the course that you're in. So right now this is Physical Science with Miss Baker. Well, I want to make an appointment with Miss Baker. I guess that's me, but whatever. And I'm going to click submit. And then it's going to show me all of the different office hour times that are upcoming. I can even scroll down, and if we had, well, we don't have school these 2 weeks, but we could scroll to look at more. The button in the upper left corner by the month, if I want to scroll to the next month, then I can choose that. But to sign up, let's say I want to make an appointment at 8 o'clock Friday morning. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click reserve. If I want to work on something in particular, if I want help with, like, let's say let's say I want help with the energy test. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to click reserve, and then that's going to send your teacher a nice little email that tells me what you're signed up, which time you're signed up for and what day. And it's going to tell me that you want help with the energy test or whatever it is you want help with. Maybe it's not just a specific assignment. Maybe you want help like I need to know what makeup work to do, or what do I do to bring my grade up, something like that. We can talk about whatever you need to talk about, and you'll click reserve, and then it's done. And now that date will show up on your calendar. So that's what we do. And if you can see my little pop-up here, it actually emailed me that that someone signed up, and this is test student, has signed up for that particular office hour spot, and will tell me what all that, well, my test student myself has decided it wants to work on during those office hours. All right, so that's all you have to do. I hope this was helpful, and good luck.